What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having the most golden day. It is so sunny in LA. The skies are clear. We are going to be talking about the Celica today. And ta-da, that's what it looks like now. Oh my, the transformation is insane. Let me go out of the sun, actually, it's too bright. But the transformation has been insane. Oh my gosh, we've done so much work to this car, and I'm gonna pretty much go over exactly what we've done and everything that is golden with the car and everything that is not, and everything that still needs to be done. And a lot of it too I didn't film on camera, so I apologize about that. But first of all, we got this car, the Celica. It was not running, it was a disaster until we fixed the carburetor. We changed we converted it to an electric fan, put the fuel pump in it. What else did we even do? So much work. But we finally got it running. Fuel filter, what else? So many other things. And it's finally running now. It's driving, it's perfect. So I'm gonna actually start it so you guys can actually hear it. So let me go get the keys. Give me 2 seconds. So before we started running, I just want to show you guys just around it. So as you guys can see, I have done the paint job. It actually doesn't look that bad. From like 5-10 feet away, it doesn't look bad. But when you come close, you'll see there's imperfections here and there. But yeah, I love this color. I think it just brings out the color in the car's eyes, if the car even has eyes. But oh my gosh, it looks so good compared to what it looked like before. It just looks amazing. And so I'm just gonna tell you guys everything that I've done. So yeah, it's not perfect. Like if you see, I don't think you can even open it yet, but if you open it, you guys would see that I have done so much work to the car. The first thing I did was to get the wheels, and then after getting the wheels, I had to chop them up and I had to chop it up to put the fender flares on it, because as you would see, front and rear, they needed fender flares because the wheel, this one is the worst. The wheel literally sticks out like 3 or 4 inches, 3 inches out. So I have to put it, the wheels are, crap, I forgot the name of the wheels. They are, I forgot the name, dang it. Oh, they're Rodas. I think they're RKRs or RBXs. But yeah, I got those. They're like $1,200 a set. But I got it from a guy used for like $600, just pretty amazing. And they came with the tires too. So the tires are not perfect too. With the tires, you guys can see in the rear that it kind of scraped. It also, I actually had to cut it because when I drove it, I don't think you guys can see, but there's like scrapey marks there. It just cut the tire pretty bad. So I had to pretty much chop it up and fill in the holes, and then spray painted, put in the fender flares, and you guys would see it's not perfect. Like look at I'll show you guys the imperfections later on, but I think what looks wise, I think it looks amazing. And with this car, again, there wasn't a ton of rust. There was a little bit of rust like down here, and so I filled that. I sanded it down, filled it in. I also kind of used not the lazy man method, but yeah, I kind of used the lazy man method. I sanded it down, cut a little bit of a hole, filled it in with like what's the name of that thing? It's like a foam. It's a spray foam. Fill that and sand it down, then use body filler over that, and also spray it in like rust whatever remover or whatever, so it should never rust again. And then yeah, that was, so far everything looks good. And then what else did I do? Let me show you what the interior, or what the carburetor stuff. And I also painted the door jambs too, so I didn't go for the super lazy route. As you guys would see, it wasn't super lazily done. I haven't done that, and I'm probably not gonna do it for a while. Oh, it's so hot. It is so hot today. The Datsun is just there looking pretty. But I'm gonna open this up. Crap. Okay. Open it up from this side, and you guys would see, ta-da, the engine bay is still blue. I know, I'm very lazy, but the engine runs and drives. I'm actually gonna start it up so you guys can hear it, so you guys actually don't think I'm kidding. One idea I had was to put smiley bumpers on it, but I didn't get the time to do that because these bumpers, I honestly don't like them very much. I think it looks cool, but it could look way better without those bumpers. And so I was gonna remove them, but again, I didn't get enough time to. And so it literally starts right up. Crap, I need to plug in all the stuff. So this is hard to do with one hand, but I'm still going to try. And then plug it right in and make sure it's good. What in the world? Why is my leg bleeding or watering, or I don't know where that water came from. But anyhow, so I'm going to start this golden piece of gold. First of all, I'm going to take it away from gear because I don't want this car lurching forward, because that would be very bad. Ugh. But yeah, watch this. It is literally going to start. Sometimes the starter has issues. It like, I don't know if it seizes up or something, but God, I have too many keys. Okay, so clutch in. I need to press that too. I need to unlock the steering. Oh, dang it. Come on, come unlock, you blithering idiot. Oh crap. Turn off the, yep, that's bad. I don't know how to turn this off. Oh, that scratched the window a little bit. I'm sorry, I apologize for that. Shoot. Dang, that's bad. Okay, but it's an old car, it's fine. So let's give it 2 pumps of gas and, nope, just kidding. You see, that was what I was talking about. Sometimes it has that issue. Come on. Come on. Please. There you go. Started up the first time when it actually wanted to start. Again, the starter has issues. But yeah, it starts up no problem. Oh, I love this car. I need you guys to see the interior is not perfect. I actually, oh, let me remove that receipt. I went to go buy something. But yeah, the interior is not perfect. Oh, I'm gonna remove this bad boy. But yeah, so I'm gonna reposition that bad boy so you guys can see. 5-speed automatic manual transmission. I love the way this interior looks, by the way, and it's so weird. So the miles only go up to like 99,000 miles, and so it shows as 5,000. No, actually, wait. Yeah, 582.4 miles or something. I don't know, but I think the miles rolled over. So I'm gonna say this thing has 100,000 miles and 500 miles. I think that's what it has. So about 100,000 miles. And yeah, the interior is not perfect. I put, oh, let me zoom back. I put new seats in, no, not new seats, seat covers, because that was the cheapest option, front and rear. And so yeah, oh my gosh, it's so hot. And the dash pad is cracked, or the dash is cracked, so we got the dash cover to cover that as well. But I'm gonna leave this thing running so I can show you guys more about it. Oh, it's so hot. But yeah, starts up and runs, no issues. Everything is good. The electric fan, you can turn on the switch from over there. And yeah, it's just an amazing little 4-cylinder glorious car. Again, it's rear wheel drive, 5-speed manual. And yeah, it definitely, like I told you guys, oh, and you can see there's no more smoke coming out from the rear, because again, they had to rebuild the carburetor. Because the first time they rebuilt it, oh crap, the seat cover came off. The first time they rebuilt it, it had issues, and then they had to pretty much go back, take it again, yeah, and rebuild it. But yeah, now it's perfect. It drives so well, so good, and we're golden. Actually, should we go for a drive? Maybe. Let's go for a drive. I don't know, not 100% sure, but I'm probably going to, because I want to. Actually, I'm gonna go pause, and then yeah, let me go get some work done, and then I will be back. Give me 2.